I recently came across Enzo Melbourne while searching for stylish and high-quality clothing online, and I'm so glad I decided to give them a try. From the very first moment I visited their website, I was impressed by how clean, modern, and user-friendly the layout was. Everything from browsing collections to checking out was smooth and straightforward, with clear size guides, detailed product descriptions, and high-resolution images that truly reflected the items I received. I placed my order for a few casual and semi-formal pieces, and the checkout process was simple, secure, and transparent. I received regular email updates about my order status, which gave me a sense of confidence that my purchase was being handled professionally. The shipping took just under the expected time frame, and my package arrived neatly packed with each item folded carefully and protected, showing the brand's attention to detail. When I tried on the clothes, I was pleasantly surprised by the fit and quality. The fabrics felt soft yet durable, the stitching was precise, and the designs looked exactly like the photos online. Each piece had a premium feel without the high-end price tag, which really stood out to me. What I also appreciated about Enzo Melbourne was their communication. I had a small question about sizing before placing my order, and their support team responded quickly with helpful advice. It's clear that they take customer satisfaction seriously and are willing to go the extra mile to ensure a positive experience. Overall, I couldn't be happier with my purchase from Enzo Melbourne. The brand offers an excellent balance of modern style, comfort, and quality at fair prices. Their service feels reliable, their shipping is well organized, and the products themselves truly live up to their descriptions. I've already received several compliments on the outfits I bought, and I've recommended the brand to a few friends who are now planning to order as well. It's rare to find an online clothing store that delivers on both style and substance, but Enzo Melbourne has definitely earned my trust and loyalty. I'll absolutely be shopping with them again in the near future and look forward to seeing what new collections they release next.